ESD PVC flooring tiles are designed to dissipate static electricity safely by channeling it to the ground, preventing the harmful buildup of static charges that could damage sensitive electronic components. Dimensional stability refers to the ability of the static flooring material to resist expansion, contraction, or warping over time. This is crucial in environments where precision is key, as any distortion in the floor can lead to gaps, uneven surfaces, or a compromised static-dissipative function. Anti-static plastic flooring tiles with high dimensional stability maintain their shape and size, even under extreme conditions, ensuring that the floor remains level and functional for years. Long-term protection. ESD control flooring tiles with dimensional stability ensure that your static-dissipating floor maintains its effectiveness over time. The anti-static vinyl flooring will continue to protect sensitive electronics from static damage without losing its functionality due to environmental changes. Durability. These ESD flooring tiles are highly durable and resistant to wear, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. Their dimensional stability means they won't buckle or warp, even in challenging conditions. Cost-effectiveness. When considering the long-term benefits, these static control VCT flooring tiles offer excellent value. Their durability and static protection help prevent costly repairs or replacements of sensitive equipment, making them a smart investment for businesses.